A new study looked at whether people with celiac disease may have built-in immune system differences that exist even before their immune cells are exposed to gluten. Celiac disease is triggered by gluten in people with certain genetic risk factors, but not everyone with those genes develops the disease, so researchers are asking what else may be happening inside the immune system. Instead of focusing only on immune cells that already recognize gluten, this study looked at helper immune cells before they were trained to respond to a specific trigger. Researchers collected immune cells from people with celiac disease and from people without it. They activated the cells in a controlled lab setting, removed the stimulation, and watched what happened over several days. The main finding was that helper immune cells from people with celiac disease did not expand as well after activation. At first, the cells activated normally, but after stimulation was removed, they showed weaker growth over time. The study suggested the issue was not that the cells could not divide. Instead, more of them appeared to die earlier after activation. The cells also produced less of an important immune signal that helps activated immune cells survive and continue their response. When researchers adjusted the lab conditions around that signal, the differences became smaller. Another finding was that some helper immune cells from people with celiac disease seemed slower to turn off activation signs after stimulation ended. Importantly, these differences were seen in both newly diagnosed people and people already following a gluten-free diet. The takeaway: gluten remains the trigger, and a strict gluten-free diet remains essential. But celiac disease may also involve deeper immune programming that helps explain why the disease develops and behaves differently from person to person.